an intro, which I will be showing you right now. So the intro goes like this. So what am I doing? I'm doing this. Basically, it's like the 2 chord, okay? You know the 2 is played like this. Just that I'm removing the B flat to the C. So like this. Then to the 3, okay? So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then so this will be 6 chord, the 6th chord, okay? But it has this particular sound, okay? The normal 6 will be this, but it has this particular sound. Okay? So what I did here was the 2. Okay? So the G, D on the left, right hand is doing the C, D, G. Then A, C, F. Basically, I'm playing the same thing, okay? Okay, so then, okay, so here I'm doing this B flat, D, F on the left. Right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, F. Just that I'm flipping from the C to the D like this, but like this. Then the 5 chord, I have the C on the left. Right hand is doing the G, C, E. Then I'm doing this. Okay, I already told you that this is the Re chord. So B flat, D, and G. Then, so the left hand I have the 6th chord here. I have the D, F, A. Right hand is doing the C, E, and F. Then I'll do this particular movement. Alright, so 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. That's on the left hand side. Okay, so right hand I'm doing this. So I have the 4 chord. So the 4 chord I'm doing this voice and B flat, D, F, B flat. Then the 3 chord we have the C, F, and A. This particular chord I'm doing the Re chord, okay? Just that I'm adding the C to it. Then the 3 chord, or you can add the C to it. Alright, so basically I'm doing inversion. Okay, so when you move the A here, it will be like this. So one more time. So both hands like this. Then the intro the trumpeters did was start. Set the chord progression for this particular song. Okay, so you can basically do this. Then you do this. Okay, then this particular chord. Then so what am I doing? On the 2, I have the 2 on the left, the 4 on the right. Then we are doing a diminished chord. I'm doing the F sharp, C, E flat, F sharp, and A. Then, so basically I have the 4, I have the 1, I have the 4, 5, 6, and 2. Then 1 over the 5. Then the 7th chord to the 1. Otumia die nina ye adio binye bida de oya di shani die ni monya Okuraseni Moburonii ne radia sesame mi din wa dance ye adio binye bida de oya di shani die ni monya ye adona otumia die nina ye adio binye bida de oya And only be a mina mini. Only be a mina mini. I intentionally sang that part, okay? The song followed the same progression throughout, okay? Subscribe if you have, and more videos like this is coming your way, okay?